Amazon Dropshipping. Amazon is one of the leading e-commerce websites in the domain. It grew in acceptance because it allows traders to sell their products on their podium. You'll be able to start selling on Amazon right after you're approved for an Amazon seller account. You'll be able to start selling on Amazon. It's apparent an entrepreneur would want to try Amazon Dropshipping. In 2019, the corporation had over 300 million active users and more than $280 billion in sales. Using Amazon Store Dropshipping as a sales network for your business can mean big revenues. Ever think about Amazon Dropshipping? It's a solid idea. Amazon is one of the world's most familiar brands after all. It has scored the ranking of the most admired shopping apps in the United States, with 150.6 million mobile users retrieving the Amazon app. Dropshipping is a fulfillment model that enables entrepreneurs to source, handling, and shipping merchandise to a third party. Find out how dropshipping works. Welcome to my channel, mind you. To know about the Amazon Dropshipping, watch this full video. If you like my videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any opportunities. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment choice that permits e-commerce businesses to source, procuring, storing, and shipping product to a third party, typically a provider. Amazon lets you drop ship on the marketplace. Before you jump into drop shipping on Amazon, please ensure you totally perceive Amazon's pointers on drop shipping, therefore you don't end up with a suspended account. If you violate the policy in any manner, you will lose the power to sell via FBM or perhaps have your account suspended. You must befit all of Amazon's terms of service in step with the vendor agreement. You must be known because the marketer on all invoices, packing slips, external packaging, and the other data enclosed or given the merchandise. There ought to be no mention of your provider or manufacturer. On May 21, 2021, Amazon sent out a reminder in Seller Central stating that they've updated their policy page to make sure all sellers clearly perceive their strict pointers with regards to dropshipping on Amazon. Amazon dropshipping fees vary by product type, but are usually in the 10% to 15% range. If you're working with relatively small margins when dropshipping Amazon products, this will take a hefty chunk out of your profits. The dropshipping model normally appeals to entrepreneurs seeking potency and low overhead. However, it will return and a value. This guide can call what dropshipping is and explore however this fulfillment methodology can work. We'll conjointly check up on some various fulfillment models. How will dropshipping on Amazon work? Dropshipping is an e-commerce methodology during which the vendor takes orders on behalf of a manufacturer, distributor, or provider. Then, once a client buys the merchandise, the vendor uses their provider to satisfy those sales. Often, dropshippers reposition the oversubscribed product as their own end. Finished consumer isn't made aware that the products came directly from the manufacturer. This applies in style on e-commerce sites like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. How to begin dropshipping on Amazon in 6 steps. Number 1. Buy an Amazon seller account. Number 2. Get permitted in your product category, if necessary. Number 3. Log into your Shopify store. Number 4. Link your Amazon account to Shopify using a multi-channel fulfillment app. Number 5. Create an Amazon product listing. Dropshipping is simply one among several strategies of beginning a business on Amazon. Other common and arguably additional remunerative strategies of commercialism products on Amazon embrace wholesale, personal label, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, and book selling. Wholesaling is after you purchase product at a bulk rate from a provider to sell to a different retailer or distribute as a retailer yourself. Arbitrage is when you purchase discounted product from different retail stores and sell them on Amazon, and personal label could be a methodology of producing your own merchandise to sell on Amazon. However, there are a variety of benefits dropshipping on Amazon has over wholesaling and personal label. How to choose product for dropshipping on Amazon? The choice of product play a crucial role within the success of a dropshipping business. With correct marketing research and strategic designing, it's straightforward to finalize a product class to export through dropshipping. Here's the piecemeal guide to seek out dropshipping product to sell online. If you do not already apprehend what product to sell through your dropshipping business, then here are a number of concepts for you. Browse through and observe e-commerce stores to know their best-selling and trending product. This can assist you establish what product to incorporate and what to not. Check out Prime Facebook looking pages and their trending product to induce product ideas. Community sites can jointly facilitate in understanding client behavior, interests, and decisions. Customers these days save their preferences on social media platforms like Pinterest, Tumblr, Etsy, and Instagram. A number of the shoppers share common interests, forming communities that can jointly provide you a decent understanding of what product are most preferred by them. Out of the list of product that you just would like to sell through dropshipping, slender down to prime 5 product ideas. Try and select place for your dropshipping business. Then keep the product which will be clubbed per the niche you selected. One of the key edges of dropshipping is that any Indian merchandiser will begin sell their product to customers without abundant physical investment. However, before deciding what kind of business to begin, it's vital to grasp each benefits and downsides of dropshipping. In this section, we have a tendency to explore the potential pros and cons of dropshipping for Indian sellers who need to make a world complete. Pros and cons of Amazon dropshipping. Pros. Sellers don't need to store the product on their own during this business model. Whereas owning a standard business demands shopping for a store, warehouse, and plenty of further charges, a dropshipping business demands simply an internet affiliation. Since you don't store or ship the product, dropshipping has the potential to lower overhead prices. In this business, multi-channel commerce is feasible to draw in additional buyers. You'll be able to use dropshipping to sell product from your own domain through the Amazon International Commerce Program or social media. Dropshipping permits you to deliver shipments to any place within the world, no matter your operative location. The shop owner will run the business from any place. In dropshipping, the provider ships the product and also the dropshipper don't need to maintain any inventory. Moreover, there's no got to purchase the product in bulk beforehand because the dropshipper solely pays for the product that are purchased. If your dropshipper or provider will ship to any place within the world, you'll be able to become a world brand. Cons. Dropshipping reduces your involvement within the order fulfillment method, limiting your ability to observe and guarantee product quality to the end customer. Once a dropshipping service handles the fulfillment method, you do not have management over order choice, packaging, and cargo. Since you don't handle order fulfillment, you will not be able to place special offers and promotions, like bundling or free shipping, to draw in customers. Little to no product differentiators means that your business might end up more aggressively on price. Marketing at low costs will eat up your margin of profit. Ice, packaging, and cargo. This drawback isn't quite common, however, it shouldn't be unnoted either. It's vital to examine that the supplier's supply have gotten their IP trademarked. Maintain a dropshipping agreement contract to confirm the legitimacy of the supplier's business. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions regarding this, let us know in the comment section. Like and subscribe the video and don't forget to hit the bell button. Take care, bye.